A massive sell-off in today's market. This is D7 here at Grok Trade. Thank you, Meerkat, for standing in for me as I was gone last couple days for some business. And the markets go deep into the red. The spider down 2.56%. The diamond's down 1.85%. NASDAQ down nearly 3%. Small caps off nearly 3%. Banks off 1.24%. So the banks did not sell off quite as aggressively as the rest of the indices. However, financials, the ETF XLF off by 2.3%. Silver taking a massive dive, down 3.2%. Gold down 1.3%. Crude oil down 2.31%. Commodities just take it on the chin. The US dollar at break even, and the fear indicator, the VIX, up more than 7%. And here we are looking at the markets. This is the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider, SPY. Looking at tradingview.com, and to blow a little sunshine my way, all these thumbs are my public calls that I've made at TradingView saying, hey, buy here, we went up. I said, hey, sell here, we went down. Said, hey, buy here, we went up again. I said, buy here, we went up again. Here I said, sell, we went down. Said, buy, we went up. Boom, boom, boom. And then we had 3 consecutive sells in a row. Boom, boom, boom. And we crashed today. Matter of fact, if I click on the little light bulb, you'll see all these. You'll see, oh man, these things moved on me. You'll see the triangles. The triangles are actually me. But you won't see triangles. That just helps me be able to see them better. See, I'm the only one that said buy down here on a red candlestick, and we went up right after that. Pretty cool. And so I'm kind of glad I saw this, so I can get the, oh, heck on it. I can get these things moved around a little bit. Yeah, so there you have it. I meant to put one, I told everybody, hey, I should have put a sell right there. I failed to do so, and it's crashed ever since. But you can follow me. All you do is go to the spider or type in D7. If you hover over one of these, you'll see D-7. You can follow me. Feel free to do that. But let me turn that dude off so we can see all of our stuff here. Here we are looking at the charts. We went down, down, down. Look at this hammer. I would have guessed we would have popped here. I haven't listened to Meerkat's video yet, but chances are pretty good. He might have said, hey, you know, we have a pretty good chance of this hammer looking for a bounce on Thursday. Sure enough, we get a gap up, but a sell-off. That's a bad sign. That should have bounced, went higher, challenged this resistance. It didn't do that. Gapped up, sold off, giving us a bearish thrusting pattern. And to start off the week, we get a gap down and a crash and burn, and the volume was decent. Average volume on today's big drop, but here's the skinny. Big support right here coming across, and long-term support here coming across. The question is, what will we do on Tuesday? Will we hang up and find support there and bounce? There's a good chance of that happening. However, mark my words, if we break below that and volume increases on that breakdown, you're going to see a nasty little drop, probably right down to this blue line, and it could happen fairly quickly. So as we take a look here at the NASDAQ, a big drop, had an arrow saying going down, and sure enough, man, we just continued down. NASDAQ had a nasty little sell-off today, and we do have some sort of support coming up. It might behoove me to add that coming across. We have that area of support to be looking at here fairly soon. And I mean, the diamonds were down 312 points. The Dow was down 312 points. 300-point down day today. It's just a big day. Nasty day on Friday too for the Dow. And looking here, let's go to silver first. Silver, silver, silver. Man, look at this. We up, big gap down. We rallied up. Fill this gap. See this? Up, up, up. Broke this area of resistance. Up, 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 up. Big gap down to support. Here's our gap. We go up, fill that support, and then we gap right back down to support this area, or filled this gap rather, and then we gap down to this support area. However, it looks like we're sub that support. That's interesting. It'd be interesting to find out if we bounce there or we actually will continue downward now that we're on the wrong side of that support line. Gold, up, 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 broke out like it was going to, and now it's back within the confines of this. Now, gang, this is a death hook. You'll only hear about the death hook here at Grok Trade. The death hook is problematic. This means anytime this happens, but again, you can't look at gaps very closely here with these ETFs on commodities, but if this continues south, this could be a big breakdown to the downside on gold. Gold had a big chance to break out. However, we're back within the confines. That could be a death hook. That could be problematic. To really know what these are and to trade them, you need to take the mentorship. Oh, you know what I should tell you about that? Go to Grok Trade, like right now. Click on Trading Mentor. Once you do that, scroll down just a little bit. Fill this form out, and we're going to do a free webinar talking about the mentorship program. So all you have to do is go there, do that, and you will be set and ready to go. So that's it. If you like the video, like it. If you love it, share it, and always subscribe. Catch you guys later.